Hey there guys, it's Bobby Kapuska and I'm the co-owner and founder of Mogul Fitness. And we're busier today than we ever have been. And the reason why is our clients are joining for the results, but they're coming back for the experience. So we're continuously offering a high energy coaching, challenging workouts, team workout that's basically empowering and leaves you in a better state of mind than you did coming in. So we're providing an experience for you, not just a gym that you can walk into and use the equipment. So this is something that's going to transform your life if you let it. So if this is something you're interested in, you can try it for 15 days for just $39. That's the Mogul experience. And if you want the full immersion experience for 30 days, that's just $89. So you're going to get unlimited training in both these programs. You're going to get unlimited access to the gym, nutrition guidance, supplement guidance. You're going to learn how to recover better from your workouts. You're going to have a great time, and you're going to be that much better off because of it. So in a competitive market, that's a rock bottom price. And you should definitely come give us a try today for that 15-day Mogul experience. It's $39, and then 30-day full immersion for $89. So I can't wait to meet you. You're going to love the way you feel. The results are staggering. As long as you commit and stick with me as your personal coach and guide, you're going to love the results. All right, you guys, thanks for tuning into this video. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Be sure to sign up right now. Take advantage of this offer. Mogul up.